For the simple Spiro-art involving trapezoid, um, let's start here. Okay, we're going to draw 15 trapezoids in all. Uh, the trapezoid is actually rotated about a fixed point, actually in one corner of the trapezoid. These 15 trapezoids, they are set 24 degrees apart. Actually, this is computed because you want to see the 15 trapezoids clearly stamped on the Spiro-art. What you will need to do is you need to divide 360 degrees by 15 and then you get 24 degrees. So that is how we get 24 degrees, the, the angular difference between two trapezoids. Now in these lines here, I have the commands for the color of the line or the side of the trapezoid. The first side is blue. It is 250 units in length. And then I turn the turtle 120 degrees to start with the second line or side. The second side is black. And then the side length is 100 units. And then I turn the turtle 60 degrees to the left for the third side. Third side is colored red and it is 150 units. And then finally, I turn the turtle 60 degrees for the fourth line. The fourth line is colored blue and it is 100 units. Now, before I draw the second trapezoid, I make sure that I reorient the turtle in such a way that it is facing to the right. And how do I do that? Since the last orientation of the uh, turtle is 60 degrees west of south. So that means I have to rotate the turtle 120 degrees to bring it back to the normal position, and then I need to add 24 degrees so that the second trapezoid can be drawn um, clearly separated from the first trapezoid. Here is how the Spiro-art looks like.